Sige pa. Stop. Okay, you guys can leave. Thank you.
Hi, Ninang. You wanted to talk to me daw?
Ipinatawag kita dito, Megan. So gusto kitang kausapin tungkol dito sa sinabi ni Jenny na nilagyan mo ng sleeping pills yung tumbler niya.
I thought we're done with this issue, Tita.
Tatapusin natin ang isyung ito if you can explain this. Look at that.
Ninang, I mean, Coach Van.
That is a major offense, Megan. Pwede mong ikatanggal yan. Kapag nakita yan ni Jenny, pwede kanyang kasuhan.
No, you can't do that. Binuo ang Pinoy Pop Camp for me. To form my group.
Lagi kong sinasabi sa inyong lahat that no one is indispensable. Not even you, Megan. I can easily cut you out of the program. Well, pwede naman kami mag-away ni na Amelia at Dara than condone your actions. But you know what? Pag nalaman ni Dara kung anong ginawa mo, she might even side with me.
No. Ninang, please. Huwag niyo po akong tanggalin dito, Ninang. Please, I'm sorry. I'm really, really sorry. Please don't tell Mama and Lola, please. Please don't tell anyone. I'll be better. I'll do good. I promise. Just give me another chance, please. I'll apologize to Jenny. I'll do everything. Just please, huwag niyo po akong tanggalin dito, please. Ninang. I can't stop.